Hello guys, Milan here, and in today's video, I am going to show you something really interesting. What if I tell you that you don't need to buy an Xbox console anymore? Yes, you heard that right. You can actually turn your normal Windows PC into a full Xbox-like gaming console experience. And the best part is, this is not just a simple launcher or theme. Your PC will actually boot into a full-screen Xbox interface, just like the real console, where you can control everything using a controller, launch games, access Game Pass, and even play cloud games. So if you have an old PC, a mini PC, or even a low-end system, this can completely transform your gaming experience. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to set it up, how it works, and what should you expect. Before we jump into the steps, let me quickly explain what this setup actually does. This method uses a special tool that enables something called the Xbox full screen experience on Windows. Once you enable this, your PC behaves like a console. When you turn it on, instead of seeing the normal desktop, it directly loads into the Xbox style interface. You can use a controller to navigate, launch games from different platforms like Steam, Epic Games or Xbox, and even access cloud gaming if you have Game Pass. It also includes a performance mode, which helps in optimizing your system for better FPS and smoother gameplay. So basically, you are converting your PC into a console-like system without installing any separate operating system. Now before starting, make sure you have few basic things ready. First, you need a Windows 11 PC. This tool is compatible with Windows 11 24H2 builds or later. Second, make sure the Xbox app is installed on your system. Most of the time it's already pre-installed, but if not, you can install it from the Microsoft Store. And third, I highly recommend using a controller. You can use any controller, whether it's Xbox, PlayStation or even budget controller. It will make the experience much better because this setup is designed for controller navigation. Now let's start with the setup. Open your browser and search for Xbox Full Screen Experience GitHub. Open the GitHub page. Here, click on Releases and scroll down until you find the download section. Here, you will see two options, light version and full version. I recommend going with the full version because it includes all features like performance mode and better integration. Download the file and it will be saved as a .msi installer. Once the file is downloaded, simply open it. Click Next and complete the installation. After installation, you will see a new app called Xbox Full Screen Tool on your desktop. Open it. Now inside the tool, you will see an option to activate the full Xbox experience. Click on it and confirm. After that, your PC will automatically restart. Now this is the first restart and it's part of the setup process, so just wait. Once your PC boots back into Windows, open the tool again. Now go to the settings section. Here, select the Xbox app as the main application and make sure it is enabled. After that, go to the startup settings and make sure it's set to launch automatically when you start your PC. There's also a user control option. You need to move it to the bottom. This is important because if you don't do this, you will get a permission pop-up every time your PC starts. Now this is one of the most important parts. Inside the tool, you will find an option called Restart Optimized Performance. Click on it. Your PC will restart again, but this time it will apply performance optimizations and prepare your system for console-like experience. Now, when your PC turns on, you will notice something completely different. Instead of the normal Windows desktop, your system will load into a full-screen Xbox interface. it will feel exactly like using a console. Your controller will automatically connect, and you can navigate everything using it. Now let's talk about what you actually get with this setup. You can see all your installed games from different platforms like Steam, Epic Games, EA App, Ubisoft Connect and Xbox in one place. You can launch them directly from this interface without opening separate apps. There's also a cloud gaming section where you can play games online if you have an Xbox Game Pass subscription. You also get access to settings like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, volume control, and system options directly from the controller menu. Now, if you want to exit this mode and go back to Windows, just open the main menu and click on Exit Full Screen Experience. And if you ever want to disable this completely, you can just open the tool again and turn off the feature or uninstall it completely. So as you can see, you really don't need to spend money on a console if you already have a PC. With this setup, you can get almost the same experience and in some cases even better because you can access multiple platforms in one place. It's simple to set up, works on low-end systems and gives you a completely new way to use your PC. So that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more amazing tech tutorials. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.